It feels like something's missing, but I just don't know. It's like I'm not the same man that I was no more. And all these crazy places that I usually go are just not as exciting as they were before. I think about you constantly. It surprises me how I've changed. My friends all coming down on me, saying the player never changes the game. Those fellas live in neverland, right next to Peter Pan. Nobody wants to grow old. Those fellas live in neverland. They'll never understand what it's like to be in love. And neverland, right next to Peter Pan. Nobody wants to grow old. Those fellas live in neverland. They'll never understand what it's like to be in love. Feels like something's moving inside of me. My heart is doing backflips in spite of me. And there's no place that I'd rather be than with you and my kids, my family. I think about you constantly. You're gonna be my wife eventually. It don't matter what my friends say to me. There's no change in my mind, so y'all just pray for me. Neverland, right next to Peter Pan. Nobody wants to grow old. Those fellas live in neverland. They'll never understand what it's like to be in love. Neverland, right next to Peter Pan. Nobody wants to grow old. Those fellas live in neverland. They'll never understand what it's like to be in love. It's like, hold up, wait a minute. I'm a hustler, don't be putting my woman in it. She ain't got nothing to do with this bullshit. She is a thing and she chills in the pulpit. Oh, you're wrong, dog. I don't even need to say no more. You ain't got the disease, but you expect the cure. Down on your knees, praying for that new Porsche while she's walking out that door. She's walking out that door. Neverland. Hope you like it, friend. I was a little bit nervous. Hit me up, let me know.